Good late afternoon on this beautiful, glowing, sunny, cloudy, overcast with a chance of rain this evening in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. This is Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a probability-based, one-of-a-kind company-made trading alert system and technical analysis. Remember to check me out on Twitter, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and you can get better trading alert updates, like with these fancy price targets, pictures, and whatnot on there. Much easier than I can do it here, right? You see that? I got all these beautiful price targets. Remember down here, right up in here. Remember that? Remember when I made my first videos? Come on. It's the one stupid fucking thing about TradingView. Like, it doesn't let you hit the fucking arrows, dude. It's so stupid. But remember, when I started making videos, I can't do it as good as I want because the fucking thing is dumb as fuck, dude. This is the stupid shit with TradingView. So remember when I made that little target up here? Not that high, but back in there. Remember that? And I told you this was going to break out of that falling wedge back there. Fuck this. Work's done. They're here. I'm fucking out of here. Enough of this shit for today. But remember when I made that for you over there? You guys remember that when I was making those videos? Remember that? I know you guys remember that. My listeners remember that because it was a phenomenal call made by this company. Right? Phenomenal call. A state-of-the-art call, a very unpopular call at the time, but we made the call nonetheless because we weren't scared of what the hype and the jabronis were saying, right? That's why we became the jabroni killers. You know what I'm saying? That blue line, that was the bottom support of your rising wedge. And we were telling you from 58, 59,000 all the way up to that peak, you were forming a topping rising wedge pattern and the price was going to come down. And our first target, remember that yellow line? You can check my old videos out at 41,900 and change. So that was your first target and we fucking drilled right through that. On our way down to our second target of $20,000. And now we formed a falling wedge, which they can break. Usually wedges break the opposite way eventually, but they can also be continuation patterns depending on multiple things that are going on with it, right? And now you see the 200-day moving average in green. See that? It's running parallel from top to bottom just north of that white line, which is the right upper resistance level. So without volume, when there's no volume coming in right now, you can see that with our little pointer tool over there. It's all dying volume. This major 41,900 resistance coincides with the 200-day moving average, and you're holding support at the 50-day underneath moving average. I think you're going to pop up to there, and if the volume don't come in, you're getting rejected, and you're coming back down here somewhere at 31,000-ish, 32 to retest that lower support on the rising wedge. See what I'm saying? So that's what to pay attention for. Yes, I did add another target down there because I do believe in the weeks to months to come, this bubble is going to slowly deflate, and I think we're going to see sub $10,000 Bitcoin. Right? I honestly do. Same thing with Litecoin. I got these fancy targets on there. Right? This is the kind of stuff I can give you on Twitter. I took a picture of this and posted it on there just real quick to show you how I could really quick say Litecoin, current pattern to watch out for. Yellow line, major overhead resistance. Following volume, very bearish. And then I got that line with a price target. It's at the 201 level right there. And the bottom of the wedge is the $1.46 level, and our underneath target that we could possibly hit if we break down one more time, 72 cents. See that? See how easy that is if I just posted a picture of that right on the Twitter, and you guys just go on Twitter for quick price updates where you can just visually check real quick if you don't have time to watch a video, or if you watch the video but want something to print off or save. This is a beautiful way to a high quality stock chart that you can just, I can put as much data on there as necessary, for multiple different things that you guys want, right? These are part of the trading alerts that subscribers request and donate for, so I can make them very quickly, right? And when you donate, if you need something right away, I can get it out to you real quick, but then I can also put together this, link it to Twitter, and then you guys can go have a picture representation to reference off of as the price moves, and you can monitor what's going on in the current forecast. I think it's beautiful. I hope you guys follow me on Twitter at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter account, right? It'd be very exciting. But this is what to watch for real quick. And Litecoin, you got that overhead resistance that I got plotted down on there for you, above the $201 price level. Pour a little pointer tool out, and then you got your underneath targets here. If you can break up above this major overhead resistance with volume, you could come back to the top of the wedge, right? But I don't see that happening because the volume is just not there. Did I make any other coins for you? No, I didn't diddle any other ones up yet. Oh, Dogecoin. I did Dogecoin. See that? Dogecoin's the same thing. You got major overhead resistance. I got to move this. You got major overhead resistance. See, this one works. And then major underneath support down there, right? I didn't put any price targets in here yet. I can put one in here on the fly. See that? I can just go into here to the price label. See that? This is your major overhead resistance up there at about 40 cents. That current price, right? Then we can add another one down here. See what I'm saying? This is just more tools in my tool belt that I can plot for you very quickly and get it on the Twitter very quickly. And this is an underneath target right now, a short-term underneath target, 21 cents, right? That's a long-standing target that we actually touched and confirmed. And I think we're about to get rejected by upper overhead resistance up there sitting at the 40-cent level. And I think we're coming down for at least a double bottom in Dogecoin, right? That's what I think's happening here. And while we go, we're going to end this video with a quick gold update. You can see gold flirting with breaking past 1900 for the first time since last August or September. If it does that, you're going to get a big bullish move. Full disclosure, I am not a financial advisor. Nor do I play what I'm on radio show to help you knock down if you fucking fight the criminal gangster cartel, brother. Right? But full disclosure, I did buy another about 100 shares of B2 Gold today when it came down. I bought it near its bottom. I'm up about 0.5% on those shares. I bought it when it crashed this morning because I feel like gold is breaking out, and gold had a strong move today after a sell-off at the start in all the mining sectors, which to me was just profit-taking, weak hands, and then the smart money was buying that shit up, so I bought some more up. Rosscon Gold now would be an excellent time to buy. It was up 20% yesterday. It's down 20% today. Now would be a phenomenal time to get in the Rosscon Gold. AAU didn't really do anything today. It just stood there in the face of all the chaos and the mining sector that is slowly getting bought back up. GPL went way down, but it's come back up about 40% from its low. Would be a phenomenal time if you guys haven't got into GPL yet. Like, subscribe, and share. Don't miss out. This is an excellent buying opportunity into the fear in the gold market today, even though gold bullion is flirting with $1,900, right? Like, subscribe, and share. More updates to come.